All right, so you're looking to use the Reddit mobile app. Well, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started using it today. Let's jump in. I'm going to be using the iPhone app, which is very similar to the Android app, so a lot of these will still apply, but just so you know, I am on the iPhone. So once you have downloaded and installed the app, it's going to start you off on this screen to log in to get started with. So it'll take you to your home feed here, and you can scroll through, and these are all the subreddits that you follow, that you interact with, communities that you're part of, and any of the other suggestions that they might have in some of those Reddits to join. Okay, and so just like on the desktop app, you can see when you see pictures, you can click on the upvote arrow. It'll ask you if you want to send notifications to your phone. I'm going to say not right now, and update on my collection. So you can go through and update. You can also click on here to comment. You can just comment on things like that. Hit the X arrow in the top left-hand corner and jump out of there, scroll through. Then you can click on the subreddit. Just tapping the title of the subreddit will take you to that specific subreddit, and you can look at all of those. This is the key of how Reddit works, is everything's comprised of subreddits or individual communities that are on a specific topic. And it's all about upvoting and downvoting and interacting with the posts that shows what is popular, what other people are looking at, what other people are engaged with. And so the more subreddits that you follow, the more posts that you interact with, the more that your home feed is going to be personalized to the things that you're interested in. So you see up in the top here towards the middle, there's a little magnifying glass. You click on that and you can search on for different topics that you're interested in that you want to search. So I've been reading a book about Jimmy Stewart. I'm just going to type in Jimmy Stewart, see what comes up, right? There's a subreddit with Jimmy Stewart. You can click on that. It's going to take me to the page here. Okay, and then this is the Jimmy Stewart page, and we can go join. You can see these are all posts and pictures. Wow, that's some great artwork for Jimmy Stewart. Very fun. Harvey, great movie. So you can see now this is going to show up in my feed as all these posts about Jimmy Stewart from this specific subreddit. So I can interact with this and comment as I need to. And then when you back out of this, you can go to home, which is all the stuff that is in your feed. And you can see those posts will show up within this along with everything else. Now, the other thing you can do is next to Reddit, you click on that and you can go to popular. Across all of Reddit, these are the posts that are getting the most engagement, most upvotes, most interesting things. So this is always a nice way too to find what is really active and what's popular, what people are talking about, and you can find some of the elements in there to follow new communities that way as well. Now, over on the left, if you click on the three little lines there, you can go directly to communities that you are following, whether that be subreddits that you followed. You can see your recently visited ones up there. And so that's an easy way to sort of navigate through that way. Over on the opposite side, you see a little profile picture there, which I haven't added mine, but it shows you how much karma you have, which again, your karma is based on how many times you upvote something, how much you interact, because Reddit is all about reciprocal efforts of posting and engaging on Reddit. Reddit is not designed to just post something and forget about it. It's designed to reward you for engaging and being active in the communities. And every time you do that, you get karma points. And the more karma you get, the more established you are on Reddit. And so you can change your profile and your own posts that you have through here, different achievement, that sort of thing. Now, across the bottom, you'll see you're on your home page, right? Right next to that is answers, which this is something new where you can ask questions and real people will give you answers back to those questions rather than using Google or an AI service. It's sort of a neat new feature there. In the middle, you have create, which again, you can only post on a specific Reddit or community, subreddit or community. So you can see all the ones that you are a part of. You can also search and join groups from here, but you have to select which community that you're posting in. And also keep in mind, all communities, all subreddits have sort of their own set of rules of the types of posts that you can make and how to post and that sort of thing. And a lot of them are pretty common sense, but some of them restrict you from like posting advertisements or trying to solicit business or things like that. So just keep that in mind. But you can write your title, your body, you can add photos or video or whatever you want down to the bottom and interact with and add posts that way and interact with them through that. Then you have chat, which is sort of a new feature that allows you to directly engage with and have conversations with people that are in your specific communities or groups that you like to interact with and engage with them that way. And then your inbox sort of has your notifications, and you can adjust this in your settings about what notifications you get and who is responding to your things and what comments you had and that sort of thing. So you have notifications, and then you have messages, which are the direct messages that are coming to you. And whenever you get lost, down at the bottom, you just click home and it takes you back to the main page. And again, popular, you can go up here and go to home, and this is your feed and all the things that you're already interested in and excited about. And with that, you're up and running on the Reddit mobile app to be able to take it wherever you go to continue your interactions with communities that you enjoy following. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.